Costales. Good
Salamat,
afternoon.
Christian.
Asek Costales.
Asek, sorry.
We have a very special guest indeed. And she's currently the first ever female yung kailangan pa sabihin, but the first administrator of Blistac.
Yes.
The newly formed, in a way, I guess, because hindi pa siya na-activate po, Doc, no? I mean, in the sense that it doesn't have a functioning as
Yes.
about 2 months ago until you came.
Yes. So, actually, it's M-List.
M-List, yes.
So, M stands for Metropolitan. And then, of course, the basic na list yung Baguio, La Trinidad, Itogon, Sablan, Tuba, and Tuglay. And then,
Perfectly love.
tapos
Development
yung
Authority.
kagaya din ng ibang agencies, Development Authority.
Right.
So, we call it as M-Blista.
Marhaba.
M-Blista.
Is it functioning in the same way as MMDA?
I have research for it because syempre nung ma-mention the Development Authority or Metropolitan is it would always be equated to MMDA.
Yeah.
So when we talk of Metropolitan is usually the urban na center and then growing economies nga dati paligid.
Yeah, sure.
Isang kaslangan ni center, usually it's a city. Iso na ti ag-evoke the kaslangan
Development, yeah.
or affect the development.
And yan yung parang ng Baguio, no? Because actually Baguio, the Metro Baguio, as we know it, is the microcosm of Metro Manila. Parang gano'n. Dito ang development. Pero dyan Metro Manila, they have different metropolis already combined as
And this is
NCR.
much bigger kasi kaslangan sa 19 LG.
Yes.
While for Blist is ano na to? 6.
Six. The overall population that we have for Blist, DA, do we have a figure or under a million?
Under a million.
Under a million.
Yes,
Kasi ang
under a
bata.
million. Yes, under a million. But in Cordillera, of course, kaslang iso na the biggest na iso na the biggest populated. Iso nga di principal naman ti metropolitan usually kat ang basis na kat population.
Sure.
Economic activity, how big the economic activity is, and social activity. Iso nga, ibagbaga tayo ang melting pot ni Baguio, Kasayay,
You know,
sa itinting Cordillera, kasla nga, DJ, ibagbaga tayo yung South Growth Node.
Yeah. Those are the terms.
Right. That we would love to learn.
Growth nodes.
Yes.
Last time I heard of that was when I was still with the British Embassy. Growth nodes.
Yes.
Medyo good.
Sa in the future, kasi nga the regional development plan, kasama at the North. Which is ang matay mo di city di Kalinga di
Yeah.
sa mga kita
It's a baby city.
yes, so game trip.
You know, they should be encouraged kasi alam mo, ang Kalinga is it's very ideal to develop a similar city such as ours. Tatakot nyo yan talaga nga pinalawan di kalsada. I think it's the biggest in the Philippines. It's bigger than ever. More than 7. Malaki.
Wow.
So ano mga nakikita mo talaga dyan yung pictures dito at ipakita na naglawan
Which and it's got a very wide real estate to put up development.
Can we give some props to our officials there?
Sino ba ti governor na tayo? Ni Edu ba?
Isn't it well, Congressman Sani
Sani
Sawa?
Yes. He's my uncle.
Oh, hey. My golf mate.
Kan ni si mayor pa dito tayo ni Kopel Samat. I think it's still Estrangero ba? Estranghero.
Touch.
But what they're doing is good. Kagagaling katatapos din yung kanilang festival doon eh. And you know, when it comes to cultural presentation, hands down, Kalinga is the best among ako.
They have won yesterday, the presentation.
Sa amin, I'm from Mountain Province originally, pero wala akong masabi sa performance ng Kalinga. They're really into it. And you know, young and old, talagang it's within their culture na talagang ipasok. They're proud of doing it.
Right.
Very,
Yung
very
participation
creative
nila.
From arts to the
The
performance.
inclusiveness, di ba,
Grabe.
niya? Community.
Magkitita na ikamkamang kami dyan.
Anyway, let's ask our guest just to let our viewers know na a career woman like her, again, props from Campo Filipino, right? Or was it Holy Family back then?
Yes,
Doctor?
Campo Filipino.
So after college.
Yes, after college.
Wow. And then moved over to
Baguio Colleges Foundation.
BCF,
So nga,
wow.
original names talaga ito yung Baguio,
Yes,
di ba?
yes, BCF.
Campo Filipino
Yeah,
instead
yeah.
ng Girls High.
right. Oh,
BCF instead ng UC.
UC.
Kaya yun nga
Tama.
katalagang
Maamuan nga,
you've been
Baguio
there.
girl ka na.
Done that. Yeah.
So Campo Filipino, was it already
Holy Family?
exclusively for girls then? Or Co-ed.
Di Campo Filipino, idi elementary na co-ed.
High school lang ako.
Tapos DJ high school na Holy Family. Yung babae
Okay.
Yes, babae amin.
Just like in lab, kasi lab naman ako, boys high naman po ako. So,
Hanga high boys.
hanga high boys. Ngayon siguro, buti na lang wala na eh, kasi actually wala nang boys high eh.
Hindi kasi ganun talaga noon eh. Kasi ako from 1 to 4 center. And then from 5 kasi, grade 5 it becomes we have to transfer to lab.
Ay,
For
awanti
our
grade,
fifth
awanti 5-6 yun.
Wala.
Okay.
Right, so 5-6 doon na kami sa lab before you go
Kadagay
back.
batch ko katadamatan.
But,
But just a trivia, do you know that the mayor actually graduated also from
Boy side.
pero
Elementary.
nagkwamot lang so na
Center.
center.
Ay.
So nagtuloy ti lab
Oo.
and then boys side.
Boys high. Right. To
True blue Baguio boy.
Yes.
Born
yes.
kayo man lang, ma'am dito?
Born and raised in Baguio. Ang ti parents ko kat Ilocano. Ilocano tang duwa. Since 1927,
Wow.
ada kami ito Baguio. My parents, yes. My
Even
parents.
just like the mayor. Kasi sila parents niya is maaga rin dito. Her mother actually worked for the city hall. So nasapa damal lang dito.
Nice to know.
And while his dad was working at Binga as an engineer.
Right.
So,
And the mayor's mom is still alive.
yes.
94, 95.
Somewhere that
I know every Christmas he goes and visits.
ay, kagagaling niya nga doon eh. Sabi ko talagang alam niyo po si Mayor, pag kasama niya mama niya, parang hindi na siya Mayor. Eh. Mama's boy. He looks so
Kasi nga
innocent.
talaga siguro ti panag-respect, ti family values nga we have high regards to our parents.
And they takat mamatiyak na maitaw-tawid eh.
Uy, mata.
Diba? For some of the kids, unfortunately, it's a fact of life nga sa balit at tamatan eh. Diba? They have different values na makikita tayo. But again, that's another issue.
Right.
Let's talk about you again. So from there, BCF, nag-PMA ka pa eh.
Yes. Ano na to, most of my career was spent in the Philippine Military Academy, and I think JPMA ti nag-itud kanyak ti adunga skills.
Yeah.
adunga skills and especially leadership skills, managerial skills ta isuda nga itinagited ti kwati agsasabali nga post kanyak
Challenges.
Challenges and positions nga mabalin nga nausar ko as I went up. So I spent 26 years in
PMA.
Wow.
No, 23 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, obviously, it's where they build, they make leaders.
Leaders.
So leader within
Yes.
amongst the leaders.
Yes,
But you're actually responsible also for molding
Grooming.
the
Yes.
future
Yes.
leaders. Baka for sure 26 years eh. So I have a lot of batchmates actually that
PMA.
are now officials.
Yes.
Sila Wilvin Custudio, if you're familiar with him.
Yes,
Wilvin,
yes.
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 Dating ni Sec Lorenzana,
Yeah.
sila Ramos.
2005?
Yes.
Well, she remembers the year pa. nag-graduate.
Hanta asawa na ni pamangkin ko.
Ay, isa.
Ay, Diana.
Ni Framo Ramos.
Yes,
yan.
Framo Ramos. So, PMA matso nga very thankful ak ti PMA ta kasla nga holistic syempre known ti PMA ti kwa niya toy not only in Baguio in the Philippines kasi so na ti Center of Leadership and way back then very known the PMA.
Okay, once I'm sorry to
Yes.
interrupt you, but once you hear the sound,
The
that means
bell
that
rings.
we will
It's
have
called
to
the
grab a
The Daryl's Wisdom
bowl of wisdom.
Bowl of Wisdom.
Bowl of Wisdom.
And you have to answer it. You have to read it and you have
Yes.
to respond to it. Kasi minsan it's
What is your go-to karaoke
Yung
song?
song. Naglay ka kanta na gito eh. The sister.
Kapilitan.
Kapilitan nga ang kanta.
Tama yan.
Anak na ako
Sample.
sample. Go-to karaoke song. Siguro at dapat DJ kwentok na ito niya. Kung nanakano ti may isang guest, di Pilipino gamit, syempre, di ba? Mababait tayo kasi kasyay. Amo tayo mat ti Pilipino. Wakano 11/10 kat singer. So nung mababain ngam na imbagam kano dati nagkanta ka man agin babain ngam atagam ti USB na kano nga
dapat kodigo na.
kodigo na. So usually ti go to karaoke song ko is anything nga Anne Murray kasjay,
Anne
Carpenters kasjay.
Ay, tama ba ako? Kumanta ako kagabi actually eh.
He likes to sing. Daryl likes to sing.
Yes.
And long walks on the beach.
Ann Carpenter.
One.
So, medyo mellow.
Carpenter, yes.
Amo hindi, kabisado mo hanggang nga agmang-mangan.
Yes.
Oh, tama ako. There's another.
Yes.
Sika kayo, coach. Sino yung go-to song mo?
Go to song ko. Wow.
Wow.
She's the one.
She's... Medyo hindi akong pinapatapakan mo dyan.
Hindi.
The favorite ko talaga.
Hindi.
Nakuha niya na asidugan ti Women's Month.
Advocacy.
She's always a woman to me.
She's
By
always a woman to me.
Yes, Billy
Is
Joel.
that Billy
I
Joel?
really love that song.
That's
Yes.
the kind of song that I grew up listening to also. Hindi, patukar nga ako na.
Never volunteer your age.
Hang on,
Yes.
we have another one.
We got another wisdom. Bowl of wisdom. Daryl's bowl of wisdom.
Okay, another one please.
Bag nagdadakkel tako How might the course of Philippine-American War have changed if General Luna has not been assassinated?
Grabe mo teta nga question.
Yan.
History.
Yes.
Sibika at kultura mo teta.
Mo ko lang ang General Luna, ijag payubi.
Hangtod sa makwadata, tagamin baka ni General Luna gamin kat ko, di ba? First General.
General, oo.
Baka mamaliak.
Pero what was his role ba? I mean, sorry what was his role in
You know what?
our revolution?
We've all been out of school for a long time. But I know
Yeah.
that General
Abay
Luna has a
I was
brother
asking, so if
called
he was
Antonio
there, he would
Luna.
have
right?
changed the course of history nga ta? For the Philippines? General Luna? What would you think?
Hindi kami nabuyak di Juan Luna.
Oh, that's
Juan
him,
Luna,
General
yes.
Juan Luna.
okay.
Juan Luna,
Antonio
yes.
is the artist, right?
Yes. Kat kasi nga internal conflict
Within the
within the
Filipinos na.
Yes. Isa nga kasi nga DJT.
Was he leaning towards not parang compromising with the Americans? Parang ganun ba? Parang Filipino tayo,
wala
atin
pa.
to, we'll
Yes.
chart our own history without the influence of the colonists, parang ganun.
Sa DJJ-han ko.
Okay.
I would like to be sure.
So your
maybe,
sister's
yes.
watching us.
Hi,
Binky!
Binky!
Sino ba? Sinong audience natin?
Ang dami Parang, let's see. Oh, our favorite off-site partner, Mia Magdalena, is
Hey,
watching.
Mia.
Uh,
You get ready for next week.
our counselor, Jose Jomol Molintas, is watching.
Boss Joe!
Yan, ang dami. Baguio Sayote is watching. Anyway,
Yeah, for Bliss DA, you will have a physical office obviously. I think
Yes, yes,
dito
yes.
dito kayo muna sa
NEDA.
yes.
Yes,
But you're
yes.
are you looking to moving or having your own
Yes.
facility?
Okay, so at this point siguro I would like to discuss about organizational structure niya. Dati yan, just like an agency, kat na-form kami nga kaslang talo ti offices. So we have, aside from the administrator and DJ Alipores nan, kasi nga, which is also a co-terminus to me. By the way, fixed term act.
Okay,
6
that's
years,
good.
Yes.
Yay.
So dati senior manager for operations and senior managers for planning, and then
Okay.
of course we also have the finance and admin. So the strength na kat 36. So
Staff,
since
yeah.
our
Wow.
function focuses on plans for the blist area as well as operations, ganon. So most of the structure would be concentrated towards operations in this one. So
Okay.
with a big number of that is that kailangan namin talaga ng malaking physical office.
Yeah.
And siguro what I can say is, since I'm the number one, nga siyak lang di may sa siyak di imuna is that yan siguro yung challenge because it has a positive side, it has a challenging side. Kasi positive side is, of course, you can build your desired organizational culture.
Clean slate,
siguro.
clean
Yes,
slate.
clean slate.
Ikaw na magsisimulan yan eh.
Yes. So what I'm thankful is regular plantilla positions. So ibig sabihin we have together with the council is we have the flexibility and wisdom how we would fill the organization.
And even if,
Yes.
kasi 6 years from December po, no?
Yes.
Okay,
6
so-
years from December. And then
2030.
yes.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, that's
ang challenge naman doon of course is since I am the only one, then it may take time for me to complete the organization.
Your staff.
Yeah.
So for
That's
us, we
expected.
have in the council we have recommended that they give me 1 year chance to fill all this one so that I can organize.
You hiring bodyguards?
Yes.
Oh!
Yes.
Please.
Yes.
Nice! So, one and only, siya pa lang. So, talaga yun ang
Yes.
mahirap. The legwork, no?
Yes, the
Yes.
legwork.
There you go.
Oops. Medyo,
Uh,
how will that actually, it may be relevant to Bliss
yes.
DA.
Yes.
what is the first thing that comes to mind when you hear political dynasty?
Okay.
So, siguro what it comes to my mind first is politicians who have made a career and their family into political positions. So, DJ lang, kanya kat jay agkakapareho nga nagan.
Yeah.
So, when it rings a bell, oy, anak ni Kastoy,
Yeah.
uncle ni Kastoy.
But would that somehow, kasi ang fear talaga is if there's political dynasty, especially if the family members are holding the key positions, will there not be abuse of authority or yung check and balances ay medyo mababawasan?
Yeah, no validation.
Yes.
Period.
Kasi ang problema, if you're holding the mga top positions, sino na ang mag-aano sa'yo?
Check.
Mag-check and
Check,
back.
yeah.
Yes.
So, and with what we know so far is that itong mga areas o mga places, municipalities, provinces na talamak talaga ang gandong sistema is that the growth is not good, di ba? Is it maybe that's why in Baguio tayo ang nagano rito kasi wala tayong political dynasty for the longest time. Is that your personal take as well?
Personally, take for me, my kasi ever since naman is I always give benefit of a doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, so siguro is as long as the person who likes to hold office is like qualified, has good leadership characteristics, and have the ability to serve, and then of course is yung puso niya is service.
Service, yeah. Public
And
service
it
talaga.
goes above
Yeah.
service
Personal.
talaga, personal, then we may give them benefit of
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah. Kasi
Yes.
there's always an
Yes.
exception naman to
Yes.
any circumstance
Yes.
pero
But if, for example, empirical data would show that there is a relationship between political dynasty and the conditions of that certain province, LGU, and it has been proven for long periods of
Yeah.
time, then
Kasi,
we may infer that
That's true.
that might be.
I mean, money can corrupt anyone even with the people with
It's
the
the
best
root of all
intentions,
evil.
di ba? So kahit napakalinis mo, idealistic mo dyan, but if you were priced with the right amount, kasi I mean, di ba? Sometimes you will probably, alam mo yung concept ni Robin Hood is that he doesn't believe that he's stealing because he's actually giving it to the people, parang ganun. Maybe there's a situation like that, pero those hindi yan pwede sa gobyerno eh.
Yes. Because we're
The act of
always
stealing is still stealing.
binded by
That's
rules,
yes, correct.
Laws that would limit such practices. Yes.
Kaso lang yun ang problema yata, hindi yata specific sa ating saligang batas na bawal ang ganitong klaseng.
Right.
Kaya that's why we still have a lot, and I mean it's pervasive in the country.
And it also dictates the flow of progress.
Kaya nga,
If
yung
you want to
makikita
put somebody
natin
down
talaga,
for 3 years, I can.
Kaya yung sinabi ko kanina, if social researchers, sociologists would really be able to prove and kung naman that there is really direct correlation between relationship between those, then it is a valid observation.
will Bliss DA delve on that issue? No. Because it's not its mandate. No?
Yes, it's not its mandate. Yes.
Okay.
So ang role niya is whoever would win in this LGUs would automatically become a member of
right.
the MBLISDA council.
Okay.
Yes, which is the policy making.
Right. Right, the council na
Yes,
yun.
the
no?
council. Yes.
Currently, the chairman is the mayor po, no?
Yes.
And that is because si Baguio ang nag-initiate nito, yung Bliss DA?
No. So some people think that MBLIST is centered on Baguio, but siguro when they're going to look at the objective or the function, which is middle until long-term plans, then maybe in the future hindi na siya masyadong Baguio-centric. But
yeah.
the way to become the chairman, it is voted
Right,
by
the members.
Yes.
Is it Bliss does objective also to decentralize Baguio and distribute the economic activity of in the region, or Or in the list?
Yes. So maybe the first concept is decongest Baguio. And how
Okay.
would we decongest Baguio is that when you are interlocal, interlocal cooperation, then any spillover by principle, kailangan is maibigay niya
Yeah,
sa
yeah.
nearest neighbor niya, which is to do that there should be cooperation between and
municipalities.
among.
and
Yes.
LGUs are mandated. Bliss DA members are mandated to cooperate, hindi po ba? Or
Yes, they have to agree among themselves. So ang
Okay.
kwan doon is anything that hindi sila mawawalan ng autonomy. And
Sure.
in fact, for example, there would be cooperation or activity that would happen in their LGU, they must agree.
Right.
So kung hindi sila kwan din. Yes. So they won't lose their current projects or autonomies, ganun. So it would always be a principle of interlocal cooperation, so
Okay.
that it would be formed into a policy that would be voted and agreed among
Agreed upon,
themselves, then that would be implemented.
Pero can an LGU decide not to participate in any or kasama siya sa
No, kasama siya kasi noong 2014 there was a MOA, Memorandum of Agreement among then sino Mayor Domogan pa and Mayor Palangdan, yung mga
Old mayors.
Yeah.
na they would be willing to cooperate.
But MOA is you can rescind from a MOA, hindi po ba?
So as long as right now they would cooperate, which is the work naman of MLISTA, that we should maintain the cooperation and the cohesiveness of this one to be able to work. So hindi siya centered sa tao, kung hindi centered siya sa development of the area, the opportunities of the development of
Will
the
your
area.
office have some form of funding that it can grant LGUs eventually for their development?
Okay.
Parang ganun?
As an agency, initially kasi we're under the Office of the President, no?
yeah.
So yung unang-unang ang unang-unang budget namin is actually a contingent fund that was granted by the Office of the President.
yeah.
That is 2024 and 2025. Ngayon, a few days ago, we have defended our budget that hopefully makasama na kami sa General Appropriation
Right,
para
yeah.
hindi na kami hihingi
There you go.
yes, to the
Not very
President.
dependent,
Yes,
right?
no longer dependent. So, from that budget proposal, which was we also consulted the civil society organizations as well as the different agencies, then yun naman. Actually, it's my first time to do that activity. And it's fulfilling naman because we would be learning so much. So another opportunity for me to learn.
For you as like you're holding several departments hindi ka lang department head, you're talagang hawak ka ng
Head
buong
of-
office
Administrator
na,
talaga.
administrator na talaga,
yes,
no?
head of
And
the agency.
Here
And this-
siguro,
Yes.
maganda yan na, I don't know, just siguro wild thinking. Siguro this would be a perfect time to discuss allotment of areas within the BLIS to have merong isang parang holding tank for all the garbage, for waste. Right. Di ba? Kasi
Baka kasama pwedeng i-ano ng MLIS na
pwede,
yan.
di ba? Pwede.
It's one of the focus area.
Yeah,
Yes,
is
is
waste, right?
health, waste management, then also health and sanitation. Yes.
Kasi,
one of the focus area.
Well, that is good kasi currently ang nangyayari is si Baguio may request siya sa Tuba na gawin niyang ganito yan. Pinag-aawayan mo na sa Tuba or wherever.
Right.
Hindi, so in the end, it doesn't get approved. No, we're still stuck. And actually, the same problem for all. It's good that we should actually prep for this kasi we're talking about development, so there's potential of growth in these different municipalities, meaning growth in population,
Growth in everything.
in everything,
yes.
including
Yes,
basura.
as a city grows,
Yes,
so
yes.
population
tama yan,
wise,
dapat matutukan na yan para sa atin lahat if we can have
Yes.
one for that.
maplano na ngayon.
Not necessarily one location lang
Right,
Pwede
kasi
sa
think about it. Oh, yun, mga strategic locations.
location lang.
Di ba?
Pero, okay, we have to skip and
We
you have to read. The bowl of wisdom
My
takes
bowl
precedence.
of wisdom. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it
May
be?
mahilig sa history yung gumawa nito.
Oo
ah.
nga eh. Di ba? Historical
Who would it
figure.
be?
Let's see.
Oh, you,
Kaya nga ako single, di ba? Who would it be?
Oh, narinig nyo si Asik, single ha?
Yes, single. Historical figure. Siyempre naman, lalaki na naman to, di ba?
pwede naman babae.
Sino ba?
Joan of Arc.
Yes. Historical figure.
Is it worldwide historical
Anywhere, yeah.
figure?
Yes.
Evita Peron?
Yung-
Sino ba yung gusto ko?
Yeah.
Siguro is Mother Teresa.
Uy.
Mother Teresa.
I love the way
would
she
be,
speaks.
Yes. Her principle is always on kindness and compassion. Yes. So it's very basic kwan. And siguro ang tatanungin ko sa kanya or our conversation is how did she able to give up everything
Everything, yeah.
just for in the service of
You know, I'm a bit lucky.
yes.
I am lucky that naabutan ko rin yun eh. So
Mother
I'm not
Teresa.
that that young.
Yes.
Very soothing, when she speaks in
Yes.
television. Tapos
Yes.
very, very soothing lang. She died, I think, 15 years ago, something like that.
Yes, mga
She
yan.
died in her sleep peacefully.
Yes,
So.
peacefully.
Who would you date?
Me?
Yeah. Or have dinner with.
Historical.
Or have dinner with.
Yeah.
I'd probably
Not
go,
currently, I mean, historical.
probably Hitler.
Hitler. You want to pick his brain?
I wanna pick his brain.
Yeah.
Pwede din.
Diba?
Yes.
Parang gusto kong
Siguro,
maintindihan ano ba ang
yes.
meron sa taong to, and I want to know the conditions then that allowed, his countrymen to follow his
To believe,
insanity.
yes.
Parang gano'n, no? So what did he do? Maybe he's very charismatic, so I want to meet that guy, Makuha ko lang yung charisma niya. Because he was weird. They said that
Yes.
he's a weird guy, and,
Or Einstein.
Pero how
right?
yeah. Einstein is very intelligent, but he's a very bad teacher. Kasi when they knew of his brilliance, ang daming mga mayayaman na pinadala ang mga anak sa kanya for him to teach them, but he was a very poor teacher. So
Kasi not all.
Yes.
Not all can
kahit,
teach.
kahit na
Yeah.
matalino ka talaga.
Everyone
kahit
can
na ikaw lang
learn.
yung pinakamatalino. But teaching is really an art. Yes.
speaking of which,
Yes.
Yes.
you've taught.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
how many years have you taught, Doc?
I started teaching 1992 in Baguio Colleges Foundation, mostly economic subjects and
Okay.
mathematics. Yes. And I have always been teaching since then because just like last year, yes, so I was invited to be a module director at National Defense College.
Wow.
So I
National Defense College,
yes.
ah.
So parang yun yung breather ko. That teaching would always be my comfort activity. So since one of my values is lifelong learner. Yes. So every opportunity na they would give me to teach or to learn, I always grab it. Yes. That's
And
my
then, so from
Yes.
BCF, you went to PMA na.
yes, Philippine Military
Where you spent,
Academy.
23
Yes.
23 years.
Yes. So I taught classes 1999, masikay kung meron, and until class 2020. So if you recall, class 2020 was the pandemic class. Yes, pandemic class.
How was it then? Kasi maraming infections din na nangyari sa
Yes.
sa PMA.
Yes. Then is may graduation pa rin, pero they were deprived of a graduation na yung alam mo yung grand kwan. So
Without the
they were,
family and-
yes, we only spent it in a large venue, and the president then was PRRD. Then they have a joint graduation with PNPA. So it was
okay.
yes.
So was it held here
2020?
or
Yes.
Baguio?
Held in the VTC. The president was in VTC.
Yes,
and
yes,
then
yes.
it was aired in PNPA and PMA.
sabay.
Yes. So it's a quiet graduation in such a way that alam mo yon yung social distancing, you could not even congratulate somebody. So,
POSD yan
yes.
Please observe
Yes.
social distance.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yun.
Pero,
So I taught until class 2020.
Doc, 2018, one of my top athletes, Saber Award, na nag-mixed martial arts, Ricardo Liwaden. from Berlig.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Pero tataka ako Saber is mostly the athletic award.
Yes, Saber is an athletic award.
When he was an athlete
Ah.
doing mixed martial arts, when you, pag na-over-fatigue ka, nagka-cramps yung legs mo, siya dalawa, sabay.
Oh my God.
Na-overcome na yung GPMA. Yeah, ang hirap
Siguro
nun,
mayati
dalawa.
diet.
Is it diet-based?
We have we have nutritionists and dietitians that would moderate the meals of the adult. Yes.
Ako
So that they won't be too
Bulk up.
big or too
okay. Kaya pala ang ninipis
too
nila.
thin.
Yes,
Yes.
Sexy. Oh.
So scientific talaga yung kanila.
Even if you're
Yes.
big-bodied, talagang paninipisin ka rin, ano? Para mas...
Hindi naman siguro paninipisin,
I mean,
but
Tone.
yes, you can manage your weight.
Well, like me, when I went to the Marines in the U.S., I weighed 138 when I went in. to
38
basic
kilos?
training. 138 pounds.
Pounds, okay.
I
nag-impis ka.
graduated at 125. There's the perfect weight ko. 125.
25 lang?
125 pounds.
lang?
That's 56
just 6
kilos.
Oh, may titsura mo dyan eh.
Oh, I was sexy. Yeah. But,
Okay.
no, but then again,
Hindi mayat lang question.
tinangyari kami ni Jay, Daryl. I started playing American football.
Eh, dapat you're supposed to bulk up, di ba?
That's
Otherwise,
when I started bulking up.
Oh.
Kasi
See,
I could endure the speed and everything, but when I get hit,
yeah, it's weight-based, di ba?
God.
Para
So,
kang...
that's when I started gaining weight.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the question.
Do you believe that love is sweeter the second time around? Parang wrong question, di ba? Wrong question,
Second time. Wala pa ngang first time, may second time
Oo
na.
nga.
O, ipapasa natin sa'yo.
Ikaw,
Love is
Christian,
sweeter the
parang,
second time
yes.
around. Let me tell you a story.
The third time.
Funny story. Childhood girlfriend.
Ay, sino din
First year high school. I was in second year high school.
So,
And then we lost touch
Oo.
for 30 plus years. And then reconnected. And now we're together again. Ganun lang yan.
ganun talaga. True
So
story ko na
love is sweeter the second
Hindi.
time around.
Well, yung awan matiin ko na.
Yeah.
Awan matiin.
Amod ng manang ko gabi.
Yes.
Alright, so
How about
maybe
you, Mr. Darrow?
ano yung rebound? Hindi. No experience, sorry.
Habol nyo talaga ti...
Parang random talaga yan, random talaga. Pero speaking of, I really related to what I know. Halimbawa, in a relationship and you had a sort of a spat or medyo nag-away kayo. Mas matamis talaga ang
Yan.
ang
Matamis.
pag-aakapan pag nagpis pa kayo. pwede i-relate yun.
Pwede. Ang dami nag-heart pero hindi ko makita. Ano ba yan? Uy, your neighbor, Mr. Kiatong is
Mr.
watching.
Boss,
Ni Leon,
Boss Leon, nanalo yung mga boys mo sa Qatar yesterday.
Galing.
Except for Bellinghon because I think
Pero sayang. Did you see the fight?
yeah, he actually won, I think, in my
The
opinion.
last, ang 1FC kasi, sorry
Are you into MMA? I'm sure.
Yung jilas nga kwadye laban ni Bilingon.
Oo.
Nabuyak nga man ko nga naibturan.
Live or just on TV?
YouTube.
Okay.
Yes.
He actually fought last night with
Split
a
decision.
retiring Bibiano Fernandez.
They fought 5 times.
Yes.
You know what?
He won. Kaso lang retiring, yung isa eh.
He won, I think. The only thing, so one championship kasi they don't score it by round.
Yes.
They score the
Oh,
whole
its entirety.
performance.
Hindi katulad
Yung
sa
last
UFC.
lang kasi, he was on the bottom for a long period of time. But for sure he won. He was more aggressive. He struck more. But Pasho,
Yeah.
Joshua Pasho,
At least,
congratulations.
ngayon na di rubber match di Jeng ako eh.
That's the third one. Yeah.
Third one pero 2-0 dati. Na
Yes.
2-0 so na.
Yeah.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be and why?
Okay.
X-ray.
Yes. If I would have a superpower, I would like to eradicate hunger in the world.
World
Yes,
peace.
no?
World peace. Everybody's eating steak.
If you-
Nagbaknangak nga itad ko amin. Kasi so why? Because imbaga na nga idini Indira Gandhi kat ko hanmat ka nga problema ti the resources in the world.
Yeah.
It is the greed of man.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
yes, it is the greed of man that creates this one.
I mean,
So therefore,
I agree.
if you would like to counter greed, then my superpower would be okay, nawakbak na ang kanya,
Stop famine.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So if you could eradicate such yung mga problema na ganon, then there would no longer be scarcity of resources.
shock the superpower na the power to eradicate corrupt politicians.
Wow.
In a snap, napukaw ka.
Papananda ka.
Yes.
Malay ko, I don't care.
Diyo ulit tisave.
Balik ko lang, eradicate hunger, tanuhandan nga ag-ak.
Akap niya. So,
Yes, sandan nga agkuha.
that's why there's hunger because of
Yes.
these kinds of politicians.
Exactly,
Yes.
yes. I don't
Because
think there's
money,
shortage. Like she
yes.
said, there's no shortage of resources.
Yes, yes.
It's how you manage those resources
And
that
the greed,
keeps
yes, and
poverty
the- yes.
very high and famine. And
It's
hunger.
designed that way. It's a
Yes.
system
Of course.
yun.
And again, just like, let's
The
go
ruling
back.
elites. Yeah.
Again, tatay, bagbaga tayo nga, we keep them there. They control the poverty level.
Yes.
Diba? Can they progress?
Yes.
Katulad nga sa Manila lang, no, where it's a concrete example na marami talagang slums and they have very poor people there. Ngayon, ang sistema kasi ng political the political system in Manila is napakalakas nung barangay kapitan. I know this for a fact because I was able to speak to a counselor from Manila who came to Baguio to benchmark. Pero nauna siya, gusto niyang gumawa ng legislation to copy our smoke-free ordinance. Nag-usap kami and ang isang na-raise niya sa akin is hindi kayo natatakot mag-implement sa barangay, ganun. O yung mga barangays nyo, hindi well, dati maganda yung performance pero medyo nag-plateau, sabi ko. There needs to be work there. Pero not because they're afraid of the people, ganto ganyan. But it's just that medyo may priority sila, sabi ko. And then he went on to explain na sa amin kasi sa Manila, ang mga councilors, saka mayors, saka congressman, ang talagang inaalagaan ng mga yan barangay kapitan. Kasi sila barangay kapitan, nagpo-project din sila ng ng power at hawak ng mga yan ang mga nasa laylayan. How, no? Yung sa ayuda. So if you are not known not to be a supporter of a certain barangay kapitan, si kapitan hindi kanya bibigyan.
Wala ka sa listahan.
Yun, so you're really
Isn't that happening now here in Baguio?
Hindi pa naman ganun kalala, pero we can go there. I'm telling you, we can go there if we allow it to, no? Pero especially at dumarami tayo sa Baguio, hindi na lang yung mga yung mga periphery ng Baguio ang tumupunta dito, marami nang galing Visayas, Pampanga, Tarlac. So marami na tayo. So hindi na lang La Union, Mountain Province, pupunta dito. Nagkakaraukan eh. Even our peddlers are from Bacolod.
Mindanao.
Grabe na, Mindanao
yes.
na ganun. So pwedeng umabot tayo sa ganun pag inalaw na nga natin na mangyari yan sa atin. Pero sa Manila, it's the case
So
already.
how do we control that now, locally?
By choosing the right leaders, to be very honest with you. Yung mga hindi takot gumawa ng mga polisiya that would safeguard Baguio in the next, not 20 years, but 50 years. Yung may foresight.
Yes.
No?
I think the also one of the yung empowerment na nakikita natin ngayon is yung chance of yung parents ngayon has now the capacity to bring their children to school.
Yes. Yeah.
And having an education, being aware, would now they could recognize what is good and what is not good, and what is rational and what is not rational. Especially so when yung most learned kasi ngayon na generation is Generation Z, di ba?
Really?
Yes, and they have a
Because they have the
different
tools
psyche.
eh.
Yes, they have the tools. Pero I think naman for Baguio people, we are lucky kasi hindi tayo doon sa yung poverty incidence natin
Yeah,
is
actually low.
it's not, yes. So therefore hindi ka masyadong dependent doon sa barangay o
Yes,
kaya sa
yes.
kwan. So you have the capacity to make an income.
In fact,
Yeah.
pati sa elections, hindi kayang idikta ng barangay kapitan ang kanyang
Yes,
constituents.
kasi may power ka to earn an income. So if you would observe, for example, families is siguro merong income earner yung tatay niya, anak niya, ganun. So hindi ka nasisiro na
The fact that
income
there
earner. Yes.
there are three statistics that's really good for Baguio. Number one is literacy is high.
Yes, literacy is high.
Yung
Income earning capacity.
yes, and then yung tawag nito, yung poverty yung
Incidence is
at
low.
low. Oh.
Yes. And bumaba daw, sabi ni Mayor.
Correct. And just last year, Baguio had the highest GDP per capita. Meaning to say, ito ang
In the whole
misconception. Yeah. Pero ito yung misconception ng mga tao. Mayaman pala ang Baguio. Akala nila city government. No, it's the money that is revolving around the city,
Around, yes.
among the businessmen.
The people.
Yes.
Yeah.
The businessman. So, obviously, that may translate to more work. No?
Yes.
Pero sabi ko, yayaman ng Baguio pag honest ang businessman na mag-declare ng kanilang taxes. Kasi,
Mas lalaki yung ating income.
correct.
Pero
Pero not necessarily does not necessarily mean na GDP per capita is the wealth of the city.
It's just average.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's
Yeah.
actually the revolving money within the city.
Wow, alam mo
Yung
yan?
umiikot.
Alam mo ba ang kwan yan sa economics? Ang kwan niya, velocity of money.
Yeah.
So what is
Diba?
velocity of money?
Smart
The
kid
number
this
of
time.
times that money will revolve in the economy. So the faster it is, faster it is, the higher the income.
Diba? And that's
Did you hear that? Say that again, Doctor?
Velocity of money.
Velocity of money.
Yes.
Listen well.
How fast
Can the money revolve,
would,
no?
yes, revolve in legal.
Hindi,
Hindi, actually, kahit naman illegal, kasi money pa rin. Yan.
Yeah.
Yes, money
Kasi
pa rin.
nagagastos pa rin yung pera na yun. Eh.
Yes, and it's part of our...
We'd like to thank our sponsors for the night.
So we have our Starbuco delivery.
Ay, talaga mga kuha nga. Starbucks
Social
tikwastoy.
kami dito yung kinidaril.
Where's the white milk here?
White chocolate.
Ay, white chocolate. Sorry, white milk.
White
Meron bang-
milk is white.
Wala ba indicator na dito?
Indicator na...
So, thank you, Starbuco, for not sponsoring our Becky naman. I'm not sure.
Daryl.
Ay, natin ko na dito. Okay.
Yeah.
So, there should be an indicator. So,
It says Daryl there.
it has
Daryl ang
Ayun,
Daryl
white
amin.
chocolate.
white chocolate.
WHC. There you go.
Yan.
White
Huh?
chocolate.
Sige
Where?
kay Christian.
Chocolate.
Where's WHC?
This one.
Okay. Sorry.
Sige.
And
Thank you very much.
This
para sa
one,
ating...
it says A. As in... A what?
L. And this is
Longid.
Longid.
Wow.
Yeah. So, yun na nga kagandahan. So, mayaman pala tayo sa Baguio. I mean, as a whole. And that may translate to the city government nga kung tama din yung declaration ng taxes ng ating mga business people at saka lahat ng kumikita nag-declare. It's just that may issue tayo on business permits. Not all of our business operators have actually business permits. And there's reasons for that. Talagang yung iba naman gusto. Kaso lang may mga impediments such as not having building permits kasi prerequisite yan eh.
Yes.
Kaso nga lang, ang naging solution natin dyan is mag-special permit na lang. If you cannot acquire a permit through the regular permit, mag-special permit na lang kayo. At
Can we
least,
touch on that real quick?
Yeah.
Kasi I read
Kasi naging issue yan eh.
Sa thread ko, kanina, or yesterday or last night yata, Daryl, and verify or validate if it's correct. Yung 10,000 is like a fine, tama? Because a certain building was built without a
that's
building
based on
permit.
the National Building Code kasi.
Right, okay.
Yeah,
Based
so-
on the National Building Code. Now, I believe or I heard sa write-up or I read about na, say for example, ikaw, nagpatayo ka ng structure mo,
Mhm.
you failed to get a building permit. Now you want to do it right, so you're processing it and you're paying the fine of 10,000. Tama?
Ganun. Mm.
But, parang may nabasa ko that the city council is passing that we're waiving 80% of that. Tapos
Kasi
the 20% will be
80% is to be paid to the city, 20% is to the DPWH.
DPWH.
So iisip
Nag-forgive na si... ano nang...
Si City ang nag-forgive.
not yet. Pero
Not yet
pinopropose ni Councilor Jomol
Ah, okay.
na maggawa ng ordinance to waive the 80%.
So, 2,000 na lang
so that we
babayaran.
can fix it. Kasi nga,
So makinig po tayo ng maayos dito, ha?
Kaysa naman iiwasan mo forever.
That's true.
or,
So these are actually counselors at
in the
work.
long run is nalulugi yung
Right.
True.
So I think it makes a lot of sense kasi nga we put up a structure, we failed to get a building permit. Now, National Building Code requires you to pay a fine. Now the fine is 10,000 per household, kunyari per building. Now, one of our councilors, Jomol, is now proposing that the city waives its share of 80%,
Yes.
and just the remaining 2,000 pesos will be paid.
oo. At
Pakinggan niyo po ng maayos yan.
papag-usapan pa natin si DPWH kung kayang
Kung
i-waive.
kaya. Ayaw daw ng DP.
Ayaw, at least
Pero
nabawasan.
okay, so makinig po tayo ngayon. So there's no reason why we should be scared of fixing our problems, which is not having a business or a building permit. So one of the requirements also tayo ng mga business owners out there, think about it. They will not give you a business permit if you don't have a building permit.
That's true.
So,
Pero
pakinggan niyo po maayos.
regular business permit. Ang interim solution natin diyan para naman legal na makapag-operate ang mga
yes.
ang mga gustong mag-business na hindi makakuha ng regular permit is the special permit. However, it's more expensive. Parang times 3, times 4 ata ang kakalabasan. And you have to apply for it every 3 months. So medyo yung convenience mo talagang maano diyan. So but
Can you give an example of what a special permit is?
Kasi pag regular permit talaga dadaan ka sa karayom eh. Baka sa city planning pa lang hindi ka pa makapasa. Zoning pa lang, building permit kasi inaano na rin nila yan eh.
So what constitutes
Occupancy
that special permit? Like give an example ng special permit.
Halimbawa, yung ikaw
Yung ganon.
halimbawa, isa kang bar. You're a bar and that you are within the prohibited distance between references na
Church, school.
Church,
school,
oo.
yes.
na 50 meters. So, since matagal ka naman na doon,
Right.
matagal ka nang ginagamit nung permit is restaurant, which is wrong. Di ba? Ngayon, pwede ka nang kumuha ng special permit so that you can legally operate as a bar. Ganon.
Can I ask you a
While we are
very
fixing...
crazy question, Mr. Longit?
Yes, sir.
I see dogs all over our parks that are income generating. Dogs like
Yeah,
Saint
that one.
Bernard.
Yes, yes,
Like
yes.
pictures of it. Every click was 50 pesos. Oh,
Grabe.
do they get permits?
Yes.
Yes, they do. Actually, they
Oh,
do.
they do.
Yeah.
So
Pero-
anything that pagkakakitaan.
Yes.
Yes, must have permit.
Sa principle ng taxation kasi talagang dapat kahit drugs yan nagpo-permit ka eh. Ito nagbabayad ka sorry ng tax.
Legal
Oh.
na yun. Once you
Sa
pay tax.
manufacturer.
So supposedly sa atin naman yan sa mga aso, sa mga you need a permit pero babalik ka dun sa point na allowed ba na bigyan ka ng permit? Yung ginagawa mo ba ay
So kailangan natin ng ordinance?
meron naman pong
That
ordinance.
would include the tourist yung aso?
Ang
Yung aso,
ang requirement kasi ng business permit is you must have a permanent spot. Number one.
Yes.
Hindi pwede ang ambulant
Peddler.
under the tax code.
So how could be a park be a permanent spot?
Through the approval of whoever is managing the park, such as SEPMO, makakuha ka ng clearance sa kanila, okay na ngayon kasi presumption of regularity
so
on the part of
SEPMO,
SEPMO
okay,
na
endorsed.
binigyan ka. Oo, ganon. So, ganon siya. Pero ako, I think anything that involves animal, dapat may clearance galing kay CIVAW dyan eh. Kasi possible
City
na,
vet,
CIVAW, City Vet. Possible kasi na may animal abuse eh.
Yeah, hindi. At saka
Tama,
meron din yung
tama.
some instances na
Oo.
nag-grab yung bata.
Yaka.
Yes.
Ganon.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So that should be reported.
Oo.
Kasi for the safety rin eh. Not only for the ringing of the bell. Hindi sa mga tourists natin and also
Pero
dogs,
ako,
sa mga animals.
Sa akin, I think, it's, to be honest, ang palayo ko pa pala po dito, Doc, is to be honest.
To be honest.
Daryl, to be honest, Longit. Kasi,
Cricket the truth, Biroyar.
kasi medyo nagagasgas ko yung term na yun, to be honest. Hindi, kasi feeling ko, medyo nasobrahan na yung mga ganong klaseng businesses. Dapat may limit eh.
Saan ba yung mga nakikita yun?
Sa Wright
Dito
Park.
Sa
Right Park,
Mines View.
Botanical Garden.
Dito lang sa area, doon lang sa area
Oh,
natin.
Balita-
Stone King daw.
Balita ko may aso dyan na hawak ng isang councilor daw or dating councilor. Tama ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Sa tingin ko, department head siguro.
Hindi. May councilor daw dyan na
meron?
kumikita eh. Dating councilor.
Ay, baka naman.
Baka naman.
Di ba? Becky naman
Becky
eh.
na.
Yeah.
Baka naman.
Next question.
Fill in the blanks.
Ang galing na gumagawa ng...
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Beholder. Di ba? Yun yun
Beauty
eh.
is in the eye of the beholder.
Totoo naman.
Oo
It's
naman.
perspective. Beauty can be interchanged with anything else.
Anything.
Internal
Yes.
or external. Di ba?
Yes.
Pwede. The
Yung
beholder.
mabait to, di ba? Nagiging maganda.
Lahat ba ng...
Oh, kaya
Lahat ba ng maganda
Yes.
mabait?
would you believe
Naman.
pa sa love at first sight? You know,
To be honest.
to be honest.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Okay.
Ako hindi eh. Ako there's probably to appreciate the beauty or the
Don't
handsomeness
you
of
see
it.
that contradicting? You fell in love.
Yun na nga, that's why you didn't actually
You didn't
fall in love.
Di ba?
No.
Kasi you fell in love. Wow.
Yeah. You appreciated.
I don't know. Ask Doc.
I appreciated only.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, so, counselor, wow.
Hindi ko alam kung CR. Ito nag-ano ako, nag-iintriga ako.
Yeah. Eh, malay mo mag-comment siya.
Yung unang magre-react,
Siya yun.
siya yun. So, check the comment section kung sino yung unang magre-react dyan na dating councilor daw, hindi na daw incumbent eh. Either may CR siya dyan, or hawak niya yung CR, or yung ano. Nangintriga lang ako ah. Ito, chinichismis lang sa akin. Hindi naman masamang mag-share ng chismis. Every once in a while. Allegedly. Allegedly. Oh.
To be honest.
Either to be honest.
CR and
Or CR daw eh. Pero would you believe that during peak seasons, kumikita raw allegedly, as much as 20,000 per day.
35.
Oh, 35 pa oh.
Oh, yung aso.
Grabe. Yes.
One lang yun, ah.
Saint Bernard, isang aso lang yun.
Oh.
Kasi if you would imagine 50 pesos per picture, di ba?
Per click.
Unlimited.
Per click.
Yes.
Oo.
Unlimited.
In an hour, pwede kang maka 1,000. Di ba? Kasi ganun-ganun lang sila eh. And you will see the dog that they're really...
So there's no taxation on that? There.
dapat meron.
So they just get a special permit and they don't pay taxes?
Dapat si BIR ang sumilip sa kanila.
Ah.
Trabaho naman ng
Oo,
BIR.
pinagpa-
BIR. Speaking of BIR, they're very active in going after vapes already without the proper taxes. So they're collaborating with us. We're giving them our information. Yung ti-challenge sa takat, most of the vape shops are now home-based.
Ah.
Hindi ka naman basta-basta
Taga
pwede.
BIR ka ba?
No, man. Hindi pa.
Baka masalin ka.
Ay, wala yan.
Abang nyo kasi nag-nervous ka, ma'am.
Oo, business. Naalala ko lang di salin.
Oo.
Kailangan gayang i-declare ko, baka...
Maraming ganun na politicians eh. Hindi mga salit.
Salit. Kasi ang kanilang nilalagay na pinapangalan sa kanilang mga properties, iba na. Mga anak. Dapat kasama yan sa salit eh.
Sa salit.
Kita, Jay, especially no politician ka, within your first degree.
Mabalik.
Yeah, kasi that's where they hide them eh.
Yan.
Bagaman kanyak nga
Uy!
pag-iduli na lang.
Market development kahapon. Medyo,
Yeah.
ako, medyo magulo ah.
Actually,
Pero, can I put my 2 cents first?
yeah, sure.
A lot of the attendees that were there, yung mga actual stall owners na matagal na doon since 1979, na, di ba? They're up for the
Market modernization.
modernization.
Anong issue nila?
Yung modality. Pero, again, nai-explain naman ng city sa kanila that this went through the process. And the council actually approved it because of majority.
Yeah.
So-
Yung mga nagngangaw against it ngayon,
Oh.
sila actually ang bumoto in favor of the PPP. So there are several things that the council voted for kasi ang lumalabas Si Magalong, pakanayan ni Magalong, humingi siya ng pera sa SM or magbigay ng pera kay SM, kaya ganyan ang nangyayari. The very fact that it hasn't been fully approved yet. Okay.
Can we explain one more time what the original proponent status is, yung OPS, kasi hindi naiintindihan ng tao.
I'll go way further. No?
Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, ako, I have an idea and I want the city of Baguio to maybe look at my proposal.
Yeah.
Wala akong ibang lumapit or I didn't see any bidding open.
So
I just went to the city and said,
this is what actually happened.
pwede ba to?
Yeah.
Parang ganun. Ganun ba nangyari?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what happened. So pag upo pa lang ni Mayor, he's already indicated his ano tawag nun, yung ano mo, yung parang agendas mo. So he started with
16-point agenda.
10, but he included the agenda of the city council. So sinama niya na lang iisa. So, just to show unity, ganon. So one of them is the market modernization. So right off the bat, in-instruct niya yung ating LFC Local Finance Committee to look into how we can fund the market modernization on our own. So mismo si Mayor ang unang nagsabi na tingin kayo ng paraan paano natin mapupuntahan.
Kaya natin.
So we looked into options as including loans, equity financing, parang ganon, no? Equity financing. So he even went to DBP ba? I think the Mayor met with the president of DBP.
ADB.
Hanga ADB.
No? Baka DBP
So
or Land Bank.
binigyan siya ng lower na rate na interest, pero the LFC eventually deemed it still too expensive or too high, parang ganun, sayang yung perang ganun. So na-explore lahat yan, and then nagbigay din ng instructions si Mayor to work with the council people, and especially Councilor Mylene, na sila yung grupo naman niya, nag-create sila ng design, and we started engaging the market yes. Nagpakita kami ng designs ng stalls of how they should be, ano ba yung gusto niyo dito, ikaw na nasa meat shop, ano ba yung dapat na setup ng ano mo, and everything ganun. But then while we were on the parallel, we were coming up with the design of the market, which the group of Councilor Mylene Yaranon did. Hinahanap naman natin yung funding. Eventually, parang lahat ng options, we cannot fund it on our own without sacrificing, kasi you'll put so much money. North of 2 billion ang kailangan ibubuhos natin dyan if we spend it on our own. So ang nagbigay ng advice sa ating mayor ay yung ating local finance committee, sinabi nila medyo costly ito, baka risky yung ilalagay natin sa isang project yung most of our funds, and then so they also considered nga yung loan, hindi pwede, equity financing, that means accepting investors from the mahaba yun, mahabang proseso yun. So even itong mga itong mga cooperatives natin sa market,
Right, Mamarva,
they were asked to submit your designs and stuff, pero medyo later on na yan. Later part na yun. So while we were having this, siyempre na-publish yan at Baguio is planning to develop its public market. Siyempre nakatunog naman itong mga nagbabasang mga private companies, investors. So nauna actually si Robinsons. Robinsons came and then submitted its proposal, unsolicited proposal, sumunod si SM, the same. And then the council, I think may nabuong PPP committee. But before we even went to that, may nabuong ganun, nag-vote na sila sa council kung ano yung preferred modality. So yun, so loan, yung equity, and then PPP. And they actually chose PPP. It's not the mayor. Majority.
The council did.
Yes, actually our allies now, yung ating allies, yung councilors natin sa Good Governance Alliance, sila yung nag-vote against PPP.
Nakita ko nga.
But they respect the decision of the majority. So ganun naman talaga yun. Nanalong PPP. So since we engaged in that, alam niyo naman po sa PPP, once you sign the contract of entering into a PPP, the process of it, you cannot stop it.
You have to go.
Katulad ng sabi ni CTAD, only the Supreme Court can stop it. But we have to go through this kasi nagpirmahan na tayo whether we like it or not. Otherwise, we'll be wasting people's time.
Yes.
So yun. So bakit napunta kay SM? So ang nangyari is that, kasi I've seen the designs eh. Ang pinili ng ating PPP committee then was Robinsons. Pero
Design.
it's not only the design eh, pati the proposal in its entirety, including financials, yung gano'n, yung projections, gano'n. Nagtaka lang si Mayor kasi bakit incomplete bakit nanalo? That's why he vetoed it. And he actually gave Robinsons the opportunity to
Fix it.
fix it. To sabayan niyo si SM kasi si SM kompleto.
Kompleto na siya.
Kompleto na siya. So sabayan niyo yung sinubmit nilang completeness of proposal. Ay hindi, basta gumanon sila. They were actually arrogant. They were comfortable na. Hindi natin alam kung bakit sila naging comfortable na ayaw ibigay pa rin yung hinihingi ng ano. That's why the mayors really vetoed yung and decided upon giving the OPS, the original proponent status to SM.
Because it was complete.
Because it was complete. At na-review ulit yan And it was indeed complete. That's why we're dealing with SM. In the end, kahit na matapos na natin to with SM, actually malapit na tayong mag-competitive challenge
Swiss.
Used to be Swiss Challenge. It's now called Competitive Challenge. May opportunity pa rin yung mga gustong sumali dyan.
Let me ask you this. Only the proponents that submitted or any, again?
Lahat.
Anybody?
Anybody.
That
Kahit
think that has a better...
Yes.
So even the co-op
yes.
sa market,
Yes.
pwede rin i-challenge na.
Nabigyan din yan ng pagkakataon para mag-submit ng kanilang proposal alongside SMN
Everybody else.
and Robinsons.
Right.
They were given 3 additional deadlines, hindi sila nag-submit. Kumbaga ito ang problema dyan daming ingay na lumalabas na sinisisi nila si Mayor and everything.
Yan, lalo
He
na
doesn't
ngayon
know
kasi
the process.
kumpanya.
Oo, yun ang problema.
Diba?
They don't know the process that we've gone through. Kaya nga ako, actually, kagabi until early this morning, I was debating with somebody. It's a prominent person about, kasi nag-o-object siya sa, sa...
Kabats ko nga yata yung kakaway mo
Mukha nga, nababasa mo yan. Pero I was just trying to explain na, hindi naman to isang gabing pinag-isipan lang. It went through a process and it was not dictated upon by the mayor. In fact, hindi naman siya ang namili ng PPP, kundi yung city council natin. And he just had to follow through. Kasi gusto naman niya talagang ma-develop yung public market natin by whatever means. It's just that nasimulan na natin tong PPP and we cannot retract from it. Otherwise, pwede tayong makasuhan ng million. So, kasi nag-invest na rin dito ang OPS holder, which is SM. So, design pa lang, you know how it will cost, di ba? Millions na po yan. And so we're here. So it's just that we're the public consultation that has happened yesterday was one of many. I can't count already since 2019. It's just to clarify. Ang problema lang nakikita ko sa comment section, parang wala silang tiwala sa gobyerno. Is that something that...
Siguro as of now lang, kasi I guess election time, it can be one of an issue.
Yeah. Which they're actually throwing at the moment. And yung worst part nga dyan, huwag niyong iboto ang taong nagpo-push ng market modernization. Just for that.
Yes.
How about the other good things that they have done? You know, hindi niyo naiintindihan yung konteksto or all the hard work behind this, tapos ganun lang kayo mag-isip. So, just goes to show na, ito kasi, it quite surprised me because I would have expected this person to be more of a critical thinker kasi successful person It's just sad na may magandang situation. I guess, nagtanong man lang sana sila. They are very much, they have the links in the City Hall. Madaling magtanong that's why ako po, Doc, when there's a parang a viral issue that comes up on my wall, I don't even form an opinion.
Ako din.
Kasi, di ba, nakakatakot.
Yes. Ako, I personally, as one siguro is more of an observer and my principle is I do not judge a person or a politician on one issue only. So that is very important na when choosing someone, tingnan mo yung kung saan siya nagsimula, naging consistent ba siya?
Yeah.
Naging consistent ba siya yung you do not judge someone na dahil
And
ito lang sa issue na to.
And
stand
with little
up. Yes,
information,
yes.
no?
Yes, yes.
Usually kasi ang posting ngayon one-sided.
Yes.
That's the natural bias
Yes.
of a poster eh.
Yes.
Bakit mo naman idadami sarili mo?
I wouldn't
Yes.
judge a book without a cover.
Yeah.
So, yun lang sa akin ang principle ko
Yes.
is, it's not
And eventually
a one-time
po,
issue.
eventually Doc, no, kahit itong
Uy.
mga ano, yung mga medyo, anong tawag nito? Anong tawag sa mga artista? Mga showbiz na
Yes.
ano,
Mga Hollywood.
mga scandals. Hindi, no, not scandals, but yung issues. What's a better term for that? Na viral ano. Eventually, give it time. Lalabas lahat yung ibang information, you know.
Yes.
Doon mo makikita na ay mali yung first. Talagang lalabas na lahat ng ebidensya, maglalabas na lahat. So
Kaya,
ang hirap
dapat-
mag-form ng opinion on the very
The truth will
Kaya
set
sa
you
atin
free.
na merong sapat na pag-iisip.
Yes.
Yeah.
We call it
Critical
as,
thinking,
yes, mapanuri.
mapanuri.
Yes,
Tama.
maging mapanuri.
Sana.
Kasi ano na to, baka naman tayo na yung dinaraya ng
di ba?
yes.
Kasi
dinarayan. I
ng
like that.
panahon. Yes.
Yung ano po kasi it's
mindset.
the internet now is really you can weaponize it eh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Mga clickbaits, yung mga cropped even the videos, wala na, you cannot rely on videos kasi
Yes.
pwedeng shorten yan, may prior
Yes.
occurrence na hindi lang pinakita sa video. It's really
Yun
dangerous
yung
na, no?
tinatawag namin sa defense sector na cognitive warfare. You
Yun.
change the psyche of
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one.
And it's deliberate.
Yes. And what is sad is it's just being done by few people, and the effect might be really destructive in the society. Yun
Mm-hmm. It
siguro
is,
yung,
actually.
yes,
So
yes, destructive in the society.
Hindi mo na nga alam kung anong totoo eh,
Tama.
at this
Yes.
time. So, kaya nga sabi ko, I no longer subscribe agad-agad sa mga nakikita
Yes.
natin dyan.
Ako
Kasi,
din.
ang hirap. You know?
Yes.
Sige, makichismis
Kasi
ka onte.
it can also sway your thinking eh.
Yes.
Pero ako hindi,
Diba?
hindi na.
Until siya na yung norm.
Right.
Hindi, pero ako talaga, wala na. Hindi ko,
Talaga?
Hindi.
Talaga?
Promise.
Pati yung pinost mong picture?
So,
Yes.
Okay,
R16 pala dito, Doc, ha? So,
Ano yung R6? Yes.
so
sige.
we sometimes
Yeah.
cuss. Pero we try not to.
Like
Pero,
kiss sa bum.
Yes.
Kiss sa bum yun.
That in English is kissing a banana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kissing a bum.
Oh my God. What's happening with the questions?
Hindi ako nanadok.
Hunana, di question ka. If aliens landed tomorrow and you were the first human they met, what's the one thing you'd want them to know about the Earth? Okay, so I think what differs us with other planet is
Nakapunta na kayo
ano
doon?
na to.
In the
Hindi,
solar
siguro, sa nababasa ko lang is yung life with, yung meron tayong vegetation, we have human interaction. Yes, human interaction. So there is this dynamics between yung environment at saka yung tao.
Well, that's the ideal setup sana, no?
Yes.
Kaso ngayon, hindi na eh.
Yes.
We are freaking
Yes.
killing the earth.
Yes.
So, siguro ang sasabihin ko, please bring whole our garbage out of earth. Dali yung pollution.
Yes.
You zap them.
Yes. Yan.
Ang problema kasi is we literally live in a ball that we have no other place to go.
Right.
Yes.
We shit here, we
Yeah.
all do the nasty stuff here, and
Yeah.
we'll die in our own stew of
Shit.
Kaya
That's
nga
why they call it waste.
Kaya nga na
That's why they call
my
it waste.
hypothesis is that there is nothing else na planet like Earth. So yung siguro yung kondon is yung wisdom for you to maintain that yung relationship between human interaction and you also have your environment is take care of your environment.
and it will take
Yes.
care of you.
Yes,
Yeah,
and it
yeah.
will take care of you.
Si Elon Musk is really pursuing a civilization in Mars. Oh, 'di ba?
Red planet?
May options na tayo.
There's
Yeah.
gonna be a lot of bloods
With
there, bro. The red
the
planet.
red planet. Kaso lang with let's talk about AI. Kasi in relation to the subject matter, no? It's parang ano na eh, yung exponential growth. Grabe, nakakatakot na. Have you...
Not a lot of people are catching up though.
Yeah.
Parang,
In fact, sabi nung founder ng Nvidia, no? Dapat ang mga estudyante ngayon, ang focus niya is to learn to work with AI. Kasi that's the future.
yeah, but that's
I
scary.
mean,
Yeah.
yeah. Alala ko lang yung ChatGPT na yan 2 years ago was like it's in its infancy. Ngayon talaga it's a great help in work. Tapos it can really talk to you. Talagang
Yes.
Grabe.
Including your schedule.
Yes,
your
yes.
schedule
Parang I
for
made the
today.
letter of intent. Nung John Hay was turned over, they were opening it to the public to where you could pay 40,000 for 6 months and you can play forever golf, right? So letter of intent. Let me try see AI.
Alam niya, no?
I told him.
Pero
Sabi
may
ko lang, okay, John Hay,
Ano siya?
tapos na.
Ayun, may joke. Meron daw isang writer na nagsulat siya, handwritten, manuscript niya talaga. And then, nilagay niya, chinek niya sa kay AI. Sinabi niya 90% AI.
90%.
Oh, right.
And hindi pa noon uso ang mga
Yeah.
electronic, mga ganon. Yes.
Well, maybe it's so well written.
Yeah.
Actually ako, there was this post that I made that went super viral that I was actually interviewed by national media. Ito, I believe you do not know that I work for the POSD. Hindi po?
POS.
Public Order and Safety Division. No? I do work,
Here?
yeah.
Chief.
I lead that office. Tapos, there's this, there are actually 2 posts, no? At 2 years between each other, 2 years apart. But it's a Cinderella segment.
Yes,
as
I
call
like
it.
that.
Yun.
The shoe.
So, kami, syempre, we have a page and then once in a while we find lost items.
Missing things. Yeah.
Missing things that are found that we post on our page para in the hopes of locating the owner. So the first one was a pair of a left side sandals.
Black.
Ayun, so pinost ko 'yon. Naging national din naman ang coverage, no? It went viral. It was owned by a senior na siya pero mahilig pa siya kasi 4 inches yung kanya
Stilettos.
Saan niya nakuhan? Saan niya naiwan?
Nahulog dun sa Treasury. Actually, yung Treasury office sa market ang nagbigay sa amin.
Okay.
So sabi ko, mag-isang pair. One
Isa
piece
lang,
of a pair. So how can I make it go around para mahanapan natin yun? My intention was to locate the owner. So pero if it's just a boring lost and found, wala yan. So yun ang ginawa ko. I made ginawa ko ng kwento na may Cinderella, Prince Charming, parang ganon. So actually hindi alam nung tao. She went back kasi kabibilin niya pala yung kanyang sandal and then nahulog kasi nakipagchismisan. Nakipagkwentuhan. So she didn't realize na nahulog. And that's how it was found. And then the following day, naghanap pala siya, pumunta siya sa Maharlika para hanapin yung kanyang sandals.
Nag-retract
At
siya.
may nakamukha sa kanya, may nakatunog, ma'am, yan yata yung Cinderella shoes na pinost na viral ngayon. So, she went to our office and then there's a
Inpakita na dyan other pair.
when inyumay na dyan other pair. Actually, naano siya ng KMJS eh.
Talaga?
Na KMJS yun. Pati ako may ganun-ganun mga reenactment.
Were you like, what was the intent really like? You were like really the Prince Charming of the story, looking for a partner.
Yeah, parang,
Unfortunately, she was a senior and you found out.
1 year, ha?
Oy,
Discrimination.
Fortunately,
God. You're aware of God, di ba? GAD. Okay.
Yes.
Pero continue ko lang yung
Story.
So, 2 years later, may nahanapan na naman kaming sandals na naman. No? So, sabi ko, naging viral yung una. So, how can I outdo that? So, ginawan ko ng poem. Nag-poem na ako. Actually, I tried, kasi sabi sa akin, I think I had a seminar 2 days prior, sabi na you maximize use of AI. So I wasn't using before. Sabi, sinubukan ko lang. Kaya niyang gumawa.
Write
Pero-
an essay about a
Yeah.
lost
Pero
dog.
nung nakita ko, it doesn't it doesn't yung mga parang yung na-churn niyang yung poem, it's parang masyadong maganda at ma-eloquent at saka hindi ko makuha yung ng Baguio eh. I want to relate it to Baguio. So yun I've redone it and then I posted it. Yun naging super viral na. And then yung pala it's owned by a Nigerian. Woman na. Malaki siya.
Daryl, the poet. To be honest, long it. Yeah.
So AI is really good. Actually, that was like 2 years ago. Nag-improve na yan lalo ngayon. So for sure, kung gagawa tayo, pag sinabi mo dun sa AI na make it, humanize it. Kung i-humanize na voice ulit with some error siguro niya. That's how advanced it is. And can you imagine in 5 years time, ang AI natin, it's kind of scary.
Can you imagine
Madidan nga
sa
agad.
warfare
Yes.
kung anong effects
Yeah.
niya?
In fact, it's happening already.
Ow.
DeepSeek.
Okay, so the question is, would you prefer to be surrounded by friends who support you or challenge you? Okay. Siguro kanya sa experience ko is more of those who support me because of my unique journey. So siguro it's quite long, no? I had been appointed to positions that parang to save. It's a culture kasi in the organization of the military that if they see a potential in you, and you are badly needed by the organization, then you would go because of mission accomplishment, because of that principle. So in my journey, I think in the armed forces, most of the posts that I have been assigned to, so yung duties and responsibilities ng original position ko ay nagiging secondary because this is what I do. So in times that I need someone, then I should be supported because it's not my primary job.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so hindi yun yung primary job ko, and then being appointed to a position is siyempre you have uncertainty, makaka-create ka din ng bashers,
Yeah,
supporters.
Why
ganun.
her?
Yes,
Mga ganun, di ba?
yes. So for me, supporters, because for the challenges, challenge you, it is because I think all of my position and yung siguro
It's challenging
yung
enough.
Yes, challenging enough.
Kaya nga
Yes.
ito.
So I could surpass the challenge because I know that I have friends who support me.
Right.
Yes.
There you go.
Actually, yeah.
Yes.
It's
So
always
both,
about
diba?
Yes.
it's
Both.
always
Yes.
about the support system,
Yes.
you know. The failure of a person could very much rely on that, or the failure or
Yes.
success of a person relies on its support system.
Yes.
Kasi, like for me, example, I was in Manila for 16 years, 16, almost 17 years. There were times that I was really down. Yung time na feeling mo gusto mo na mag-give up because your support system is
Not
not
there.
there, not there. So, my family was up here in Baguio. So, parang kahit man lang yung pwede mong makausap, you know. I had friends there, pero sabi ko, teka muna. Medyo hindi yun yung tamang taong pagsasabihan ko ng certain issue ko na nangyari as of at that time. And, you know, those were the times na almost nag-give up ako eh.
Yes.
It's really important yung support system.
Yes.
Yeah. Puti ka
So
na lang.
sa akin is yung
like that.
challenge, I am accepting challenges.
Yeah.
Therefore,
There's enough challenge in our work.
yes.
Isa.
Yes.
Meron nga akong kakilala dyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, iwasan na natin yung drama. Kasi
Yes.
marami na, yung drama between us, iwasan na natin kasi marami ng drama sa labas.
At marami ring drama sa buhay natin.
Marami
di ba?
na
Yes,
Kaya wag na tayo
yes,
magdrama.
yes.
Sana hindi ka magalit.
Those two things just really go together din kasi. The support, di ba? Kailangan mo talaga yung, if you don't have a strong support system, most of the time, yung result na gusto mo, hindi nyo naaabot.
Yes.
But because somebody supports you correctly, then you actually exceed or
Yeah.
surpass
Yes.
even the expectations. that becomes also challenging at the same time.
Yeah.
Diba? Na,
And then
Pero-
support might also be sa baba,
Mhm.
wind beneath my wings,
Ah.
or yung support of a leader. That's
Yeah,
very
sure.
important. Yung support of a leader that you know that they have chosen you or they trust in you
Mm-hmm.
because, yes, I have the support. Yung sinasabi nating path goal theory, okay?
Yep.
So the leader would provide
Yeah.
the path and then you would go through it. So yun yung mga magagandang leaders or models that a leader would provide the path for you, and that is
Yeah.
a part of the support.
Kasi
Yeah,
it-
the upper support.
yep, how you get there
Yeah.
is you.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna
the
give you the
challenge,
path,
yes,
right?
the challenge.
You know,
yes,
So military thing
Yeah.
is just
Yeah.
that way. I know
I-
you've
yeah.
experienced it with
With the
your
mayor.
boss.
Kasi alam
I remember when I
Yeah.
first met him, he said, Coach, pag nandito ka, you're here, I called you for a reason. Kasi I know that you would be able to assist in some areas of your expertise. So
Yeah.
run it the way you run it. Here is your clear path. Do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what he has given me with POSD.
Right.
Sabi niya, wala siyang instructions. So, you know what to do? Just do
Yeah.
it.
Run it.
So, 6
And
years.
that's a form of support.
Yeah.
Yeah, diba? That's a form of support.
Yeah, motivate.
As lo-
Trust, yes, yes.
What is important is he makes me feel that in case na medyo hindi ko na kaya, he's always there na
Yes, sa baba naman. The
kaya
support,
niyang
yes,
to
yes.
back me up.
Yes.
Pero sa akin, siyempre, ayaw ko ring mapahiya. You know, sometimes there's pride in it, ego na, kaya ko to. Pero hindi naman ako nahihiya din na humingi ng tulong eh. So, that's, bihira kong gamitin ang alas ko kay Mayor. And I'm proud to say na
Yeah.
in the
Well-
almost 6 years, siguro 3 beses lang ako, boss.
No, I remember him clearly saying that. Pag nagkamali ka, mali ko. Kasi I asked you to do it.
Sasaluhin niya. Oh.
Right. So my accountability, being the leader, telling you to do it, tapos you failed.
Yeah.
It's my
There were
fault.
actually some mistakes that sinisi siya. Inako niya, kahit na hindi naman niya mali. Mali ng kanyang mga subordinates.
I
Ganun
think
siya.
that's the wisdom of a leader.
Yeah.
Once na you approve something, you attach your signature,
That's it, yeah.
then yung
Accountability.
subordinate me has no longer then akuhin mo.
Kaya ang daling magtrabaho for him eh, if your heart is in the right place. Yun lang, mahirap talaga pag hindi ka rin performer kasi talaga mapapagalitan ka eh.
You're gonna hear it. Yep.
Yeah. Right, so walang batingting pero ayun.
Magbabating. Parang ang hirap ng mga question dito.
Sabi ko nga di.
Nasulit na yung gobyerno.
May
Okay.
Ayan na.
If you could switch life with any animal for a day, which one would you pick? And what's the first thing you'd do? Okay. Ito na naman.
Parang
Meron na
alam ko na
naman
sagot
akong
mo
mga
dyan, ah.
ano. Sige. Alam na ni Christian yung sagot ko dito. Because every day.
dati horse eh.
Me is a dog.
Okay.
Dog because siguro doon sa barangay namin, if I would
Maraming-
be if I would be described, they do not know my name, I think, but
Sige, ano
they
di-
would know the
My
lady
ba-
with the brown dog.
Dog woman yun.
So what's the if I am my dog, then what's the first thing you do? My dog is kwan pala siya, rescued dog. Yes, rescued dog. And
What's the lahi?
he's a big dog. I don't know what's his lahi.
Baka mat no? Yung mixture
No,
of
pero
Very big talaga. So if I'm going to act as my dog is a protector. So I would protect. So if it's my work, I would protect my family. I would protect my organization. I would protect my country. Yeah, kasi
World peace.
protector talaga yung
Dog. Oh.
And I think as a public servant, ako yun yung principle ko. As long as the government is paying me, I'll give back
Yeah.
the government what is due.
Yeah.
So I do not complain. Kung mahirap yung trabaho, ganon, ito yung binayad ng gobyerno sa akin. Kaya
Ibalik mo kung ayaw mo.
Kaya habang tumataas yung sweldo ko, tumataas talaga dapat yung performance level ko.
Tama naman.
Yeah.
It should be
That's
commensurate
yes.
at least. And it's good, you know. It's ako for career people like you, I would that's not a surprise kasi talagang you work hard for where you are at the moment, and you don't want to put that to waste kasi hindi din naman
Yes.
dyan ang
Permanent. Yes,
at
that's
saka
right.
hindi
Very
kayo
annoying.
hanggang dyan lang mayroon
I
pa, no?
respect them, the career women, because of their passion, na result-driven sila. Di ba?
Ay,
Parang
talaga,
hirap maging boss ni Doc, no?
Of course.
tanungin mo yung mga tanungin mo yung mga subordinates ko.
Baka wala nang tulugan.
Hindi naman. Ako ang principle ko is equity. Equity. Your level of performance should be the equivalent of your pay. So, kunwari, mababala yung trabaho niya. Yung duties and responsibility niya talaga, babawasan ko.
Yeah,
Binabawasan. Yes.
Saka commensurate.
Equity.
But
Yes.
if I were to live as an animal for one day, ito kasi horse gusto niya horse. Ako, panda.
Kasi mag-distribute ka ng food. Food panda.
Panda?
Hindi.
You like to eat bamboo?
Hindi, kasi sa sobrang hirap ng buhay, one day lang naman eh. Gusto kong gugulong-gulong lang, tapos
di ba?
gugulong-gulong lang na ano.
Sana ganun din pala yung naisip ko. No?
Ako, iba lang talaga eh.
One day lang naman eh. So,
Pinakamaganda sa
Ano
akin
sa'yo?
yung horse.
Horse
Eh.
ba?
Pintas ganun din kabalyo eh. Di ba? The way they stand, nagluluko kayo. The way
Kasi
they
isa na
stand, the way they walk with pride.
kasi matutupad yung pangarap mo sa isang araw.
And then they have that bellingon spinning back kick. Boom! Right? Kevin, congrats lata. Anyway.
Ko lang no, di horse lang gamin the power na. Di ba? Horsepower, iso da
Horsepower.
Di adati power na.
Grabe, pero basta siya horse. Anyway. Oh,
Taga
Manang
Manila.
Janet
Sorry,
is watching.
Ay, Manang Janet Molintas.
Yes. Oh. My mother again. Oh my
Okay.
God, watching. Hello. Here's the question. No more horses. No
No
more
more horses. No more horses.
Sino ba yung gumagawa ng wisdom bowl ni Daryl
Oo
Longin?
nga.
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Di, apay.
Ay, usto-usto.
Ay,
Sige.
Yeah.
The question is, what's one thing you wish more people understood about the complexities of bliss development?
Okay.
Yes.
Galing,
Can
galing.
we tell them
Parang
exactly
ito
what
yung-
bliss is
Oo.
first? Kasi baka may mga viewers tayo. na
Ano ba yan ba? O,
Hindi
kasi
nila
explain-
alam ang bliss.
Oo. Sang Bliss stands for Baguio City, La Trinidad, Itogon, Sablan, Tuba,
And
and
Tublay.
Tublay. Okay. Dati may salang titina.
Wingarod.
That's Tuba only, and then
Sinama na si Tublay.
Tublay. Yes. What would you understood about the complexities? Siguro ang one misnomer is ni administrator, bakit maging administrator may amin ditoy? Would it be under the bliss? So it's a misnomer because they would retain their autonomy.
Of course,
so
yes.
kami lang yung mga soft formulation of long-term and mid-year plans.
Plans, yes.
Yes.
You will align it
opportunities,
with the
yes.
CLUP of
Regional,
regional,
yes, regional and national, mga ganon. So, ang complexity siguro sa akin is that complexity niya siguro for the development authority and yung sinasakupang kon is yung culture. Because, for example...
That's something different.
Yes.
That's something unique for
Unique for
Bliss.
yes,
Monique.
yes, because when you think of MMDA in
iba
Metro
yan.
Manila kasi is ang daming tao, lahat ng klase ng tao is that it's there. So
Yeah.
therefore wala silang sinasabing ito yung kultura
Identity.
namin.
Identity.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ito yung identity namin. Kasi dami-dami.
Talagang super melted na.
Yes, super melted
Super
na siya
melting
na
pot.
Manila. And then when they would say Manila, they accept the realities of Manila life.
Yeah.
Which I experienced for the last 4 years. For this one, medyo preno ko. So I have been reading what what is the culture of Benguet, that you have to practice yung inclusive
Yeah, sure.
development.
Yeah.
Yes. So, yun siguro ako preno, and I have to be more sensitive about, kasi yun yung uniqueness
Yeah,
ng place.
yeah.
So therefore, you could not adapt all the strategies like
true.
in Manila or in Cebu or in ganito, kasi iba yung dito.
Yeah,
There is
There's
there's
the
something,
demographics natin, no?
yes, there's something unique in this area. So yun yung sa akin yung dalawang complexity siguro is people should understand that hindi sinasakop ng bliss yung mga kapangyarihan ng mga kwan. And then another one is come up with inclusive approaches that would be acceptable to the constituents. Kasi on the bottom line, at the end of the day, development is for people. Not for us na naging successful kami, but they feel that the development in the area, naging mas maganda yung quality of life of people in the area.
So it's more of since you're saying that all the municipalities in the city involved will have its natural autonomy in ruling its own government.
Yes, affairs, yes. So it's
so-
only in what they would agree, interlocal cooperation, and they have to
where
agree
they would share parang ano
share the positives and
yes,
the negatives.
Kami
yes.
J2 ba kasutiket
Yes.
mi kuma, ma'am.
Yes.
Parang ikaw yung nag-aano ng puzzle.
Consolidate,
yes.
no?
You lay it out
yes,
for them.
Yes. And in any kwa naman, stakeholder, yung stakeholder analysis, you would not aim for 100%.
Of
You would
course.
always, yung principle of optimality, ano yung, what is, net benefit pa din.
Yes,
net
net benefit.
Because, siguro yung mga, yung in terms of stakeholder, yung kwan natin kasi minsan sa isang tao is, kailangan 100% satisfied ako. Hindi
You
ganon.
can't ever.
Because, especially at times, ngayon
Can't
na,
please everyone.
yes, for example na, konti na yung area mo is fixed, mga gano'n, resources mo, dumadami ang tao,
Yeah.
then you could not really
Sure.
attain the 100%.
Let's say
Yung gusto mo.
ito nagbabanggaan yung the policies of the mayor of fighting urban decay against the people that are here already na naka-squat sa ating watersheds,
Yeah.
especially watersheds,
Yeah.
no. So paano mo sila, hindi mo naman kasi pwedeng i-demolish.
Yes.
Right.
Parang ganun
Yes,
lang
yes,
i-demolish
yes.
mo.
There's
So
still
how
human
can you marry?
interaction.
Oo, yung
How can you
process
marry the
lang,
two
yes.
while
Oo.
trying to achieve the best possible
The common goals,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Diba?
the net
So,
outcome na net benefit
kwan
na.
pa rin, ano na to, when you talk of stakeholders, net benefit, nandoon pa rin talaga yung ethical decision making. So, you could not just say, kastoy-kastoy. So, in anything, kunwari sa traffic, congestion fee, market, mga ganon, ethical decision making, and ang tinitignan mo talaga is net benefit.
Yeah,
Because hindi mo maaasahan that yung lahat ng expectation mo is mamimit. So yun din siguro yung need natin na value na ipalaganap that you could not get 100%.
100%.
Yes.
Pero
It's
is it
always
ethical for a politico to promise na just to get votes
Bigay ko na lang
bibig-
yung lote sa
Yeah.
inyo.
Yung nasa watershed, papatituluhan natin yan, bibigyan natin sa inyo. Is that-
No.
Parang kilala ko yung mga
So, it's basic, yes.
Anyway,
Yes, it's
Janet
basic.
Dangatan Molinta
Yes.
says, "Hello, Ma'am Monica. Snappy salutes ko na manang."
Thank you, Manang.
Anyway, the
Yeah.
advantages.
What will we gain from having a
Right,
bliss
right.
DA?
From having
Yes,
the
yes,
Metro Bliss.
Yes.
Meron
So,
na ba tayong parang taga-guide as a
Framework.
as neighbors na hindi lang tayo nagde-develop on our own, parang ganun? Yun ba yung purpose ng Bliss Day in a way na
yes.
parang
Actually,
tutulungan tayo?
Master plan.
sabi nga natin is Bliss, it's not new. And it has been with the NEDA for quite some time. Sila yung mga interim.
Right.
Yes. Said there is what we call sustainable urban infrastructure development of the blessed area. So meron nang nagawa. There has been many studies or planners who have taken interest in the blessed area. Bliss area. So ano yung what's in it for us? Okay.
Yeah.
So you would always ask what's in it for us. So since our task is to aggregate data, also profiles, then if we analyze yung planning environment natin, then it is concentrated on the Bliss. Kasi at least may makakall out ka na ngayon na
Right,
kung
right.
nag-study ka ng certain area, hindi na lang si Baguio City,
That's
hindi na lang
true,
si
right.
Tublay, pero you're looking at it as kung ano yung objective ng Bliss na itong area growth center na ito, who are they, what are they in the past, pre-Bliss, ganitong time at saka ganitong time. And siguro is that yun nga, Metropolis has never, it is not a new concept.
Right.
And we can see that yung evolution of Metropolis is yun talaga, is to study an area in which you would look at their plans, you also have their services in a wider perspective.
Even culture,
Yes.
right?
Baka danto ti blissed culture. Blissed coffee, mga ganun. So you're not now competitor in terms of your product, ganun.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
now consolidating your resources and by using strategies that is effective, mostly economical. Yes.
Waste management. Let's go
Yeah.
back to waste
Yeah.
management kasi talagang kasama naman talaga yan sa existence ng
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 urbanization.
isang society,
Yes.
no?
uh-uh.
Will
Yes.
you be mediating, if that's the proper term, or you will help? Kasi meron, okay, currently lahat ng basura natin ng Baguio nilalabas natin sa Urdaneta, I think, at the moment. O Urdaneta. Urdaneta or Tarlac, palipat-lipat kasi tayo eh. So, in case na may ma-identify tayo mga locations within Benguet na padalhan natin dito na na-consider all environmental impacts and the impact to community. Usually kasi ang kalaban natin dyan din yung community and even the LGU. So,
yes.
will you be part? Kasi sometimes ang nangyayari is kahit may studies na nagsasabi naman na safe ito, there's enough measures that we're gonna put in place para ma-minimize yung yung fears natin na impact niya. Meron pa rin yung hindi natutuloy simply because the people don't want it.
Right.
Kahit na-explain na at lahat-lahat, no? Will your role be also to
Mediate.
convince the people or just the LGU or what will be your role in situations like this?
Siguro muna is since the process of coming up to for you to go there is pre-feasibility study.
Yes,
You also have feasibility study, then you have planning, and then part of that is sa feasibility study is acceptance. Yes.
From the community.
Acceptance. So, siguro pag no-go, then this one. But siguro for the planners, that their timeline should be long enough to be able to predict that ito yung long-term
Right,
solution.
of course. Hindi lang talaga
long-term
10 years,
solution.
20 years.
So what are we doing now? Like sabi ni Mayor, at saka I think dito na rin sa Baguio City is yung circular
Circular economy.
Yes, circular economy in which the other day he also communicated it with the presence of other mayor that why don't we, actually sinasabi niyang ilagay namin yan sa budget namin, that we study or study circular economy within the Bliss.
Yeah.
So that hindi lang yung Baguio City yung magpa-practice. Siguro pag ganun
Oo,
is
kasi
malilesen yung types of basura natin. Then, kung hindi man natin ma-solve lahat yung traffic at basura or
We minimize.
at least lumiit yung volume of basura.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know that POSD is actively doing the circular economy?
Yeah.
Salute.
So
Yeah.
every first Monday of the month, I mandate all my our enforcers to provide at least 3 containers, may it be eco bags or ice cream plastic boxes that they have idling at home,
Yeah.
so that market goers can come and get it for free.
Yeah.
para instead na bumili sila ng bagong eco bag, bagong container, kukuha na lang sa office. But we encourage them to to be part of the program. Kung meron kayong nakakupo dyan, dalhin nyo lang dito kasi kayo rin lang naman gagamit. At least hindi nyo na siya dala-dala, dadaan lang kayo dito sa opisina namin.
So, ang sinabi ni Mayor, i-invite mo daw ang list sa circular economy. So, we would be very happy to coordinate and organize na kasi nga parang kami yung integrator sa Bliss, then we could ask our...
I think siguro our next objective really is to create more parang nodes inside the market itself para hindi lang sa office namin. And we have to make it
And
sustainable.
also educate them. Kasi marami pa rin, siguro, especially the outskirts of Baguio City are still not enough educated sa mga
makita mo data eh. I mean,
diba, tama? So
plastics.
if they can and then you would be able to show them yung mga byproducts ng iba or how can you use them in other ways, that would ring a bell to them and say, safe kami gamit, magaling gamit kasi ito eh. Right? So kulang pa tayo ng
apart from that, incentivize.
Monetize it. Yeah.
Kasi say for example, like in Australia, bawat plastic bottle, you put it into the recycling, the redemption fee, mababayaran ka ng 5 cents o 5 cents.
So, even in the States, ganun. Yes.
Pero mas mataas yata sa Australia. That's why my friends, nung nandun ako, ang dami-dami nilang container ng mga plastic. Kasi every month pupunta sila doon, babalik. Pero these are actually funded by the manufacturers.
Like Coca-Cola does it.
Yeah.
Malalagi po di ubing tayo at gumatang tayo ti litro kat at deposit na jibuti. So that's the same concept, the redemption fee.
Deposit.
Yeah, in every supermarket in the States, dati redemption center na yung mapapalikod. So for a week long, nagaduti ininom nga tin cans or bottles of liters of sodas, kapan mo i-kuwajay. And then they process it right then and there. And you get your rebate. It's like a rebate.
Very quickly,
When?
At Santoy Jay, if you go to the grocery supermarkets, walang container. Bahala ka dyan magbuhat-buhat. Kaya yung mga tao minsan, buhat-buhat mo yung ako rin sabi ko, pero may box naman sila binibigay kong available. But that's how we could also encourage. Kasi sometimes, hindi mo talaga mapipilitan ng taong maging disiplinado eh. But if you have some form of incentive to start the practice,
you know what we can do?
And actually, let me just di ba cost nung ang nagbabayad ng redemption is yung mga manufacturers. Pero actually pinapass on niya rin yan sa consumer.
Exactly.
So, ganun din naman yun. It's really circular. It's really circular. Okay. We have 2 minutes.
But anyway, let me ask you, maybe your office could head that in the market.
I'm heading that, actually.
And contact somebody that actually buys those products for them to reuse it again. Right? So, mabalin mo nga irugi.
Hindi, kasi actually, meron naman na tayo, taga-bili, meron tayo nangangalakal. Actually, yung mga basurero natin, dyan sila kumikita. The volunteer garbage collectors, dyan sila kumikita. Kasi if you go to the transportation at Marcos Highway, at Tuba, nandyan yung mga iba't ibang nagre-recycle yung bumibili ng kalakal. So, doon sila nag-ano. So, plastics.
There's pera in basura, man.
There's pera in basura. Yeah. Pero, siguro, that's the old-fashioned way of doing it. Kasi totoo naman, nagre-recycle pa din no? Pero, hindi mo na-empower yung tao. Na-empower mo yung basurero. Dapat, yung isang family unit, pwede silang pumunta sa doon, they can show their kids, doon mismo doon sa isang center na mawalan ng onting kita itong mga ngalakal natin, but kasi if you really bring it to the family na maturuan mo sila ng ganun, they'll get used to it
and it becomes second nature. Exactly. So habit forming lang diya diba? So it gets transferred to the next generation man. So nilulak kami kasto hindi sige you save all those plastic bottles diba?
But everything starts at home, diba?
Yes.
Yung anak ko and school, pero primarily home. Yung anak ko when she was 3 years old, pag kinaot mo yung kanyang bulsa,
candy wrappers.
She never learned how to just throw it out like that. Kasi nga, tinuro ko eh.
What's the name of your daughter?
Severina.
Severina.
Hi, darling, I love you. Nasa Manila.
Yeah.
She's now 16.
Wow.
Wow.
Mine's 25. Mine's 25.
Right, so
Yeah.
the time flew, di ba? Now you realize that 2 hours is not enough for a good
Yes.
discussion.
And, awan pa iti kwayo. Walang review.
Congratulations, Ma'am Monica. Shout out
Hi.
from the Bantay Boys of Pacdal, kuna ni Colonel Kalog.
Hi, Colonel Calvin.
Hi, sir. Thanks
Si
for dropping by.
Chief of Police ti Bayumbong.
Tata.
Yes.
Sino ni?
Lawrence. Ni Lawrence na.
Ay, dyan ak ni...
Manang.
Okay.
This is your cousin.
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
okay.
Yes, so that was another kahit na
Exciting.
informal, yes.
Kasi kami,
Yeah.
Doc,
Very
kasi kami, we would
informative.
like to, as much as possible, share whatever we think could help. Not change the whole world, but bits and pieces on how we can get to affect your mindset.
In a language that people can normally understand.
Yes,
Na hindi masyadong formal, structured. And, kaya meron kaming ganito ganyan. So,
May sponsor pa kami.
Yes. Yes, so dapat sponsor yun.
Doc, expect that we will again invite you in the future.
Yeah, for sure.
We want interesting
and
people.
no adati, i-promote me siguro.
Yes, Doc. Yeah.
Me, so, most of our activities this year is actually on information and and education campaign about yun nga yung kanya rin kanina, complexities of the MLIS, misnomer about MLIS. I think one of our major activities would really be awareness
Yeah,
that
to educate
bliss
people,
is
no?
not something abrasive.
Baka may
Yes.
ano pa dyan, may mga elected officials pa dyan na hindi, pati sila hindi nakakaintindi at natatakot sa mga sabi-sabi. Ano?
Yan.
Han mga may kat diya di ba?
It's just,
So we are just one of the normal agencies.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's an arm,
agencies,
actually,
yes,
di ba? An
to
arm.
development. Yeah.
it's just high time na talagang nandiyan ka na, ma'am.
Yeah.
So that we can get it
I
started.
love to adati pagbagami yung military nga BTB back to barracks shakat back to Benguet. BTB. Yes.
Back-
and
back
I'm
to
very
Baguio to
happy,
Benguet.
Yes,
Yeah.
from Baguio to yes. I'm very happy that I am able to go back and
Hun
serve
mata.
here.
I mean,
Yes,
no one deserves it but a person from this place. Yung
That knows.
nakuha niyo. No, yeah.
And
Otherwise,
still learning.
otherwise kasi detached yan eh.
yeah.
O, siguro pwede sa mga predecessors mo, ay sa mga successors mo. Pero for you as the one who's starting all this, it should be from
Yeah,
from
and
here.
one thing I took from her today is life is really a learnable process.
Yeah.
Every time it doesn't
Yes,
discriminate age.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It doesn't
We
discriminate.
learn, we
Yes.
live and we learn every day. Antay mga mabaling nga experts
Yes.
of just certain things. We see there's
We keep
always-
learning until we die.
Kada karon AI na ko nang, di ba?
Yes.
But you have a page, ma'am. Not yet? Meron pa?
Yes, we already have an
Blist.
FB page, Emblista.
Emblista. Okay.
Yes.
We'll share this.
Yes, Emblista. You can
Even in
you
POSD.
can search it, and then in the coming weeks we would have an official gov.ph.
Wow.
Yes,
Oh,
gov.ph.
nice.
Yes.
Nice.
It's an official website.
Yes,
Yeah.
salamat sa DICT for acting on our request so that we would be formally known
Naman.
in the area.
I
Yung
need-
pagtanda
Yes,
di
yes.
DICT tayo dito yung Baguio.
When?
Yes.
And hopefully meron din kayong email address na at gov.ph.
Yes, gov.ph.
Emblista.
Yes.
uh,
Ngayon,
.gov.ph.
Gmail pa lang kami.
Oo, yan.
Yes.
Medyo dyan tayo nahuhuli.
Yes.
Eh. Dapat,
right.
even with the city, I was pushing for it. I was telling our MITD chief na, gawan nyo na ng ano naman, yung email address ng mga staff nyo eh.
Gov.ph.
At baguio.gov.ph para hindi Gmail. Nakakipag-transact tayo sa mga ibang offices. Ano ba to Gmail?
Ganun.
Baka
Yes.
scammer to.
Tama.
Di ba?
Yes.
Pati doon sa ating calling card at gmail.com.
Siguro nga, as the administrator builds her team, nga she would take that one consideration na having a strong IT team.
Yes.
That would
You will have your own IT team, ma'am. Di ba? Tama?
Ano na to?
Sino
Sir?
Yes.
Hindi,
magre-repair sa
yes.
mga naman?
So, isa lang yung IT item namin, but with the provision of MOE, yes.
Yeah.
I believe that
You need it.
every organization needs
In-house.
yes.
An in-house MITD.
And then also data-driven decisions.
Especially,
yes. Kasi with technology nowadays, sabi ko nga natin, pwedeng i-distort ni AI ang iyong kwan. Yes. So,
Even
yes.
with the information that you have in your website,
Yes.
it must be protected. There's
yes, that's why we have,
secure data
yes,
dapat.
we allocated maintenance really for our
app
website.
development
Yes.
for work enhancement or to aid you, tools, IT tools, you need that. Kaya kailangan mo ng kahit division lang.
Yeah.
Na ano.
And I'm glad that Mr. Longid would recommend or suggest some of our experts from the city to assist you. Maybe just
Alam mo,
Yeah.
you just ask the mayor, tutulong. We have a brilliant chief of our MITD, summa cum laude of AIM. Wow. Summa cum laude. Galing niya. Kaya may utang nga sa akin. Nakalimang
Ano yung
plot na. Asian Institute.
AIM ka?
No. Not me.
Ayaw ibatan ang mic?
Oh, karaoke. Yes. Ah, maminsan
Joke.
pasyalan
Yes,
din to
yes.
ni Doc EJ.
Wala.
Ayan na.
Ito.
EJ, little
Mabalin tayo EJ nga
coffee
ako.
area, EJ, ayan na.
Mabalin tayo EJ nga podcast.
Ay, mambalin. Tano, ibagam na niya, G, favorite song.
Makasample ka. You'll have the more
And they're
courage to sing.
They're a family of singers kami. Ba't sa ni Mayor ni Manong na miss eh? Manong Aquiles niya.
Jerome.
Jerome.
Yes.
Okay, so I
Okay.
guess we did a little bit of extension, but it's just that our discussion has
Thank you, Hendrix.
been very
Thank you, Fridge TV.
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Talagang
thank you
bitin.
very much.
But,
Yes, thank you very
Doc,
much for having me.
we
Do
are-
you know that I'm just a little bit of over a month in my position? Yes.
Yes, December eh, no?
January 17 is my first day.
We wish you all the best of
Yeah.
luck, Doc.
Yes.
I know that the agency is in the
Yes.
right hands.
We got your back.
We got your back.
Our support system.
Siyempre, I'm also praying for a smooth, siguro hindi naman smooth 6 years because starting is already a hard
Kinda
thing to
rocky.
be. Yes.
Challenging.
Yes, but hopefully, malpas ko ma-build the team ko, we can serve the Bliss better.
All right.
Nice. We need
Thanks.
people like her.
Yeah.
More people like her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks again, Doc,
Yeah.
for
Thank
gracing
you.
our show.
Yeah, all
We
the
look
time.
forward to seeing you again in the future.
Yes, thank you.
Good luck
thank
sa Bliss.
You, thank you.
Thank you.
Bliss is in good hands.
Sa Metropolitan Bliss.
Yes.
Development
Authority.
And Bliss
Authority.
DA.
Yes,
M. Bliss DA.
Bliss
Yes.
DA.
So thank you
Ano?
very much for yung mga tagatangkilik dito sa programa and thank you very much for this time for me to promote
Yep.
the Bliss DA.
You're most welcome.
Something
Yes.
to look forward next week, Friday. We will have another crazy guest in the house, right? There.
Probably Ryan.
Yes.
Ayan.
Ryan Tablak. If
Yeah.
you're, he's the president of Creba ba?
Creba,
President ba siya
yeah.
dati?
We would like also to talk about real estate and all those.
And he's my batch and he's a very successful business person. So sabi, ano bang sikreto, sir? Ano naman dyan, mag-share.
Maybe husband and wife tandem.
Pwede.
Silang mag-asawa. Ano?
Para mag-delve tayo dun sa kanilang relationship and stuff. You know?
Talk about how they fell in
Yes.
love.
And I like your format.
Yeah, di ba?
Yes, I like your format.
We'll improve it. This is our 4th episode. So, nag-start pa lang
Every day
kami.
is a-
Just like Bliss DA, Bliss DA, nagsisimula
Every
kami.
day is a learning process.
All right,
Thank you.
so
Thank you
thanks
so much.
for
Thank you
those
so
who tuned
much,
in.
yes.
And
Baguio
you have a
Unfiltered.
nice weekend ahead.
Thank you. This is
See you next
Cricket.
Friday.
Yes.
And this is Daryl.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Good night.